I welcome you all for the discussion on equations reducible to linear form. So in our previous video we have already discussed linear differential equations. In this video we are going to consider differential equations which are not linear but that can be reduced to linear differential equation form, then it can be solved. So here we mainly consider two types or forms. So first one, type 1, or it is also called as form 1 differential equations. So in this type we will consider differential equations of the form f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y equal to q. Similarly, you can interchange x and y here to get another form, another form under this one. Here the given differential equation is of the form f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only. Functions of x only. So to solve this one, first we need to reduce this to linear differential equation. So for that purpose we shall put t equal to the coefficient of p, we will take f of y. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will be getting dt by dx equal to f dash of y into dy by dx. So that the original differential equation now takes the form dt by dx plus p into t equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only. This is a differential equation linear in t. Similarly, one more subtype that may be obtained by interchanging x and y here. So this is of type 1. So similarly, next we have equations reducible to linear form, type 2 or form 2. Type 2 or form 2. So here the given differential equation will be of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q into y power n. This type of equations are called Bernoulli's equations. Bernoulli's equations linear in y. Bernoulli's equation linear in y. Similarly, if we interchange x and y here, we get dx by dy plus px equal to q into x power n, that we call as equation, Bernoulli's equation linear in x. Now to reduce these to linear form, again we need to use the substitution, but before going for substitution we need to divide both sides by y power n, so that it takes the form y power minus n into dy by dx plus p into, it will be 1 by y power n minus 1 equal to q. So equivalently this can be written as y power minus n into dy by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n equal to q. So this is the equation that is reduced from Bernoulli's equation. Now we need to put t equal to the coefficient of y, that is y power 1 minus n. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will be getting dt by dx equal to derivative of y power 1 minus n. So we know that derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, right? So it will be 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n minus 1, that is minus n into dy by dx. But I want only y power minus n into dy by dx, that will be y power minus n into dy by dx will be 1 divided by 1 minus n into dt by dx. So now with these changes, this equation becomes 1 divided by 1 minus n into dt by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n means that is t equal to q. Now we have to make the coefficient of dt by dx to be 1. So multiply both sides by 1 minus n. Multiply both sides by 1 minus n. So we will be getting then dt by dx plus 1 minus n into p times t equal to q into 1 minus n. If you want, you can put this 1 minus n into p as p dash and q into 1 minus n as q dash. So you get equation. Okay, if I take this as p dash and this one as q dash, this will be dt by dx plus p dash t equal to q dash. This represents equation linear in y. Linear in t it is, not in y. So again we got a linear equation. Now we can find its integrating factor and then the solution of the equation. That is obvious. So that can be done usually. Using the concept of linear equations, you can continue for further. So again, if you interchange x and y here, you get Bernoulli's equation linear in x. Then that can also be reduced to linear equation by dividing both sides by x power n, then taking t equal to x power 1 minus n. Next, we are moving towards problems on these two types. As usual, heading will be solve the following differential equations. So first one I am going to consider is e power y into dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power x. Solution. Given, if I split this can be written as e power y into dy by dx plus e power y equal to e power x. Now equation is given. Now we need to check whether this is of type 1 or type 2. So generally, if you have here dy by dx and y power n on right hand side, then definitely it is of type 2. If you don't have such terms, then first we need to check for type 1. Type 1 means here you have to take the function in y, then differentiate it. If its derivative occurs here, then that's of type 1. So illi y alli ಏನಿದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, y in terms of y ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು f of y ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆದರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಟೈಪ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೈಪ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here obviously we have f of y equal to e power y, derivative of e power y is e power y, so it's of type 1. ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಪ್ 1 ಆರ್ ಟೈಪ್ 2. Put t equal to e power y. As usual, you have to put t equal to e power y. Then dt by dx will be e power y into dy by dx. Thus we have e power y into dy by dx will be dt by dx plus e power y means t equal to e power x. This is equation linear in t. Now as usual, identify p and q, then find integrating factor, then the solution. So here p will be the coefficient of t. So here p is 1, q the right hand term, that is e power x. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. So we have p equal to 1, so integral dx, integration and differentiation get cancelled, you get integrating factor to be e power x. The solution of the equation is, to find the solution, first we need to write the formula. What is the formula? Dependent variable t into integrating factor equal to under integral sign the right hand term q into integrating factor into integration with respect to the independent variable plus c. So this is the actual formula. So here t, so t as had to carry as it is integrating factor e power x equal to under integral sign q means e power x into integrating factor e power x dx plus c. This is integral e power 2x dx plus c. Now I had to integrate it. So t into e power x equal to e power 2x divided by 2 plus c. Or if you multiply, if you substitute for t, it will be e power y into e power x equal to e power 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the required solution. So in this way you can solve differential equations of type 1. Next, problem B. Problem B, we have dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube cos square y. Here you have term of the form x power n. So it may be Bernoulli's equation in y, but it is also equation of type 1. I am going to solve this by the method of type 1 solution. Dividing both sides, or let us write the given thing. Given dy by dx plus x sin 2y equal to x cube cos square y. Dividing both sides by cos square y, we will be getting 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into this sin 2y can be written as 2 sin y cos y divided by cos square y equal to x cube. So it will be secant square y into dy by dx plus 2x times, so one the term cancel agutte, cos cancel agutte, ulkollodu tan y. So tan y equal to x cube. Now here term in x is this one 2x, so the remaining is tan y. So derivative of tan y is secant square y. Derivative of tan y is secant square y. So it is of type 1, no doubt about it. So put t equal to tan y. That implies dt by dx will be secant square y into dy by dx. Okay, now that equation becomes, thus we have dt by dx. So first term becomes dt by dx plus 2xt equal to x cube. So this is equation linear in y. Linear in t. So here p equal to 2x, q equal to x cube, integrating factor e power integral p dx, that is e power integral 2x dx. Integration of 2x is x square, so e power x square. The solution of the equation is, I'm not going to write the formula again. Independent variable t into integrating factor e power x square equal to under integral sign q, that is x cube into e power x square integrating factor dx plus c. So to solve this we need to use substitution again. Put u equal to, usually whenever we get exponential term under integral sign, for substitution we shall take the power function, this power to be u. Whenever we use a substitution for an integrand which involves exponential, we shall take that substitution for the function that is in power of exponential. So u equal to x square. So from this du equal to 2x dx. See here we have x cube into e power x square. This can be written as x square into e power x square into x dx plus c. So I want x dx. Here I have 2x dx equal to du. So from this x dx equal to 1 by 2 into du. Now with this substitution we are having, that implies t into e power x square equal to under integral sign t into e power t into, in place of x dx, 1 by 2 into du plus c. So 1 by 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋತೇನೆ, ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು t into e power t ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ integrating it, first function t into integral of second function e power t minus derivative of first function 1. Oh sorry, t ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನಾನು. Yes, it is u, here it is u. Okay, now it is correct. u into e power u minus derivative of u is 1 into e power u plus c, or t ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan y ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ tan y into e power x square equal to 1 by 2 into e power u ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೋಣ, e power x square times u minus 1, that is x square minus 1 plus c. That is the solution of second equation. So next problem C. Problem C, we have dy by dx, okay, I'll write here, dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to y cube secant x. Here I have y cube. Also it is a Bernoulli's equation in y. You can solve using method of type 2 solution. So dividing it by y cube, I am directly writing the solution, not all the steps I am going to write here. So dividing by y cube, it will be y power minus 3 into dy by dx plus y power minus 2 into tan x equal to secant x. Put t equal to y power minus 2. Then dt by dx equal to minus 2 into y power minus 2 minus 1, that is y power minus 3 into dy by dx. So I want y power minus 3 into dy by dx, so I'll write here. So y power minus 3 into dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Thus we have, so this becomes dt minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx plus y power minus 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ t ಅಲ್ವಾ. So tan x into t equal to secant x. Multiplying both sides by minus 2, you will be getting dt by dx minus 2 tan x into t equal to minus 2 secant x. Okay, now this equation is linear in t. So here p equal to minus 2 tan x, q equal to minus 2 secant x, and integrating factor will be, you can check this, integrating factor will be cos square x. The solution of the equation is, independent variable, that is t into integrating factor cos square x equal to under integral sign q, that is minus 2 secant x into integrating factor cos square x dx plus c minus 2 into secant x cancels with cos x, so you will be remaining with integral cos x dx plus c. So substituting for t, you will be getting 1 by y square into cos square x equal to 2 in minus 2 into integral of cos x, you get sin x plus c. So this is the required solution. I think it should be minus 2 sin x. Problem D, we have dy by dx plus xy equal to xy cube. So here we have y cube term, right? Then this equation is Bernoulli's equation, linear in y. It is a Bernoulli's equation. It is a Bernoulli's equation, linear in y. Yes. Now dividing both sides by y cube, it will be y power minus 2 into dy by dx plus minus 3, right? Yes, y power minus 3 into dy by dx plus y power minus 2 into x equal to x. Now as usual, put t equal to y power minus 2, then dt by dx will be y power minus, differentiating this, minus 2 into y power minus 3 into dy by dx, or from this y power minus 3 into dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Now substituting this, we get minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx plus y power minus 2 means t, it is x into t, I am writing x first, equal to x. Multiply with both sides by minus 2, it will be dt by dx minus 2x into t equal to minus 2x. So this represent equation linear in t. Now we need to identify p and q. Here p equal to minus 2x, q is also equal to minus 2x. Integrating factor will be e power minus x. The solution of the equation is independent variable t into integrating factor, that is e power minus x square, equal to under integral sign q, that is minus 2x, into integrating factor e power minus x square dx plus c. So put t equal to t we have already used, right? Put u equal to minus x square, then du equal to minus 2x into dx. So substituting these things, t into e power minus x square equal to under integral sign minus 2x dx means du, so it is e power u into du plus c. So integrating e power u, you get same thing, e power u only, so it will be t antandre y power minus 2 ala, yes, y power minus 2 into e power minus x square equal to e power u plus c, or it is y power minus 2 into e power minus x square equal to e power minus x square plus c. So this is the required solution. So finally there is one more problem, it is e dy by dx dy by dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x y plus 3y cube by x equal to 0. Solution. So this equation can be written as dy by dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x into y equal to 3 by x into y cube. Again this equation is Bernoulli's equation linear in y. Divide both sides by y cube. You will be getting y power minus 3 into dy by dx minus y power minus 2 by y power minus 2 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x equal to 3 by x. As usual, we need to put t equal to y power minus 2. Then dt by dx will be minus 2 into y power minus 3 into dy by dx. So from this, y power minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx. Okay. Now, yes, substituting these things, we will be getting dt by minus 1 by 2 into dt by dx minus t by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x equal to 3 by x. Multiply both sides by minus 2. So I will multiply by minus 2 and I will rearrange the terms to make it in standard form. To keep it this in a standard form, it will be dt by dx plus here this 2 cancels with this, minus into minus get plus 1 plus 1 by x into t equal to minus 6 by x. So this represent a differential equation linear in t. So here p equal to 1 plus 1 by x, q equal to minus 6 by x, and integrating factor will be e power integral p dx. Integrating with p with respect to x, you get x plus log x. You get x plus log x. Now this will be the integrating factor. This we can write in a much simpler form as e power x into e power log x. But e power log x is x only. So integrating factor is x into e power x. Now the solution of the equation is integrating factor into independent variable, right? So t into x e power x equal to, on the right hand side, under integral sign, minus 6 by x into x e power x plus c. So x get cancelled, it will be minus 6 into integral of e power x is e power x only plus c. Substituting for t, so it will be y power minus 2 into x e power x equal to minus 6 e power x plus c. So this is about the solution of the given equation. So one mistake we have done here is it should be minus, because we have taken to the right hand side minus, this is minus and this is also minus, here it will be plus. Yes. So q will be, instead of minus 6 by x, it will be plus 6 by x. Yes. This is the required solution. There is one more problem that can be considered as exercise 1. Try to solve this one. So problem F, xy into 1 plus xy square into dy by dx equal to 1. So this can be simplified as xy into dy by dx, or let us simplify in this way. Solution, let us solve your solution. So we have xy into 1 plus xy square equal to dx by dy. So first let us write dx by dy. That implies dx by dy equal to xy plus x square y cube. So this equivalently written as dx by dy minus xy equal to x square y cube. Since we have here dx by dy, you can treat this as a Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation, linear in x. Bernoulli's equation, linear in x. So we have Bernoulli's equation linear in x means you have to divide both sides by x square. So it will be x power minus 2 into dx by dy minus x power minus 1 into y equal to y cube. So I have to put t equal to x power minus 1 or 1 by x. Then dt by dx will be minus x power minus 2 into dx by dy. Yes, one more thing I have to note down here is you have to differentiate both sides with respect to y, not with respect to x. So dt by dy equal to minus x power minus 2 into dx by dy. I want x power minus 2 into dx by dy. So x power minus 2 into dx by dy will be minus dt by dy. Substituting this we get minus dt by dy minus x power minus 1, that means y, right? So y on t, it is y into t equal to y cube. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, it will be dt by dy plus yt equal to minus y cube. So this represent equation linear in t. Equation linear in t. So here p equal to y, q equal to minus y cube. As usual, integrating factor will be e power y square by 2. So integrating y, you get y square by 2. So the solution of the equation is dependent variable, that is t, into integrating factor e power y square by 2 equal to under integral sign q into integrating factor e power y square by 2 into dy plus c. So to integrate this, put u equal to y square by 2, then du equal to 1 by 2 into differentiating y square, okay, 2y into dy by, okay, not dy by, it is just dy. Yes, now this get cancelled. So I got du equal to y dy, right? See, we can write this equation as minus, anyway we can take outside, y square into e power y square by 2 into y dy plus c. So for y dy we can write du, no problem with that. So substituting this, we get t into e power y square by 2 equal to minus, under integral sign, look into this equation, y square means 2u into e power u into y dy means du plus c. So let us take minus to outside, integrating this u du, you get first function u into integral of e power u minus derivative of u 1 into e power u plus c. So I can substitute for u, that is y square by 2. So we will be getting t into e power y square by 2 equal to minus 2. See, you can take e power u outside, e power y square by 2 times y square by 2 minus 1 plus c. That is the solution. So with this we are going to wind up our discussion on equations reducible to linear equations. So thank you.